Okay, all right, I'm out here in my fourth test or flight test of the Skydio 2 with the remote controller. I've been having issues with this controller. I can only fly maybe 35 to 40 feet away and then it disconnects. So I'm going to essentially do something different from my previous flights. I took the case off from the my phone, and perhaps the connector right there, the USB-C, maybe the connection wasn't as good or something. That's why I'm disconnecting. So I'm going to try something different and go ahead and do that. Okay, all right, wish me luck. All right, I hope you can see the drone. I'm going to turn it on now. I think the drone first. I guess drone first. Okay, drone. Go ahead and open up the remote controller. I want to make sure I got the connection first. It's blinking. I hope you can see that. Still blinking. Once that they bond or pair, whatever, then I can connect the phone. Okay, I'm not going to connect the phone at this time, but I am planning to. My cell phone is on airplane mode, as you can see, as well as no Wi-Fi. Click that. It's calibrating. Hope you can see that. It's calibrating. Remember now, I got Wi-Fi off and everything, and it's on airplane mode, so I should have a good connection. So as you can see, I'm still connected. I'm hoping I'm capturing this thing with my camera. Okay, standing back. Let's fly it. All right, there we go. It's up in the air. Hope you can see that. Alright, so I'm looking at my looks like it's still connected, so I'm gonna go out about, you can see, I hope you can see, it's only 0.3 miles away. Connection looks good. You can see that. So let's see how far I can go. I'm 7, 8. Let's see how far it can go. I'm sorry, it's 150. I'm looking at the wrong. I'm at the 205 feet. Oops, see, I lost connection. There you go. You see that? I lost connection with the drone. Oh wait. You see that? Now it's connecting again. So it's coming back because I lost connection. So it's coming back. Coming back home. Oh, don't hit the tree. Okay. All right. There you are. See? All right. So there you go. The cable's pretty good. It's on there. You can see. Hope you can see that. It's only 14 feet away from me. Try it again. All right. I'm still connected and I'm at 42 feet. Let's try again. $80 feet, 100 feet. I don't know, hopefully you can see this. I mean, coming back to me. Now, the closer I get, the reception should be good. I'm at 65, 59 feet, 54. It sees me. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Let's see how far you can go. Again, this is just a distance test because it's haven't been going too far before it disconnects. I say, I'm at 116 feet, but I have a feeling it's gonna disconnect pretty soon though. 200 feet. Okay, I'm at 200 feet. So far so good. Too afraid to let that sucker go too far. Lost connection. Okay, see that? Controller disconnected. Okay, I should be flying back now. There it is, it's flying back. Okay, and it's gonna stop. There you see, can you see that? All right, stopping right at the point where it's connected again, right? Yeah. See that, Skydio? Look at that, it's disconnect, control disconnected. It's right in front of me. So now I have to get the setting. It's gonna go up in the air again. See that? Resume, okay. Motion track. Now what's wrong with this picture, huh? I swear, this is the problem I'm having. Skydio, this bird can't go as far with the remote controller, if you can see that. It's got some disconnecting issues. Again, there you go, disconnected again. Your phone is not connected to the controller. So it could be a bad cable, could be. I'm gonna get it connected so I can land this puppy. Okay, regain control. Let's regain control. Land this puppy right on the money.